Hi, I'm Paul Robichaud, reporting for Practical 365. Microsoft has put a huge amount of effort into building collaboration technologies that they think will enable everybody in every enterprise to work better, whether you're an information worker, a factory worker, a frontline worker. They continually introduce collaboration features that are supposed to make all of our lives and our jobs better. But William Gibson, one of my favorite science fiction authors, has a famous saying. Shout out to you, Bill. The street finds its own uses for things. So today, we're going to use some Microsoft Teams features for something they were never intended for. Please, don't try this at home.
So Walkie Talkie mode is something we install as an app. So once I've installed that, I join a channel and then I use the push to talk button to talk. Paul, are you there? Over.
All right, boys, let the games begin.
It's quite fast.
It's incredibly fast.
Woo! How much fun is this?
I think I know how my wife feels when I'm driving a car.
I can't hear you guys over the sound of the shrieking tires.
I'll tell you what, the walkie-talkie's working.
This is a lot more exciting than my typical Teams meeting.
Teams meetings will never be the same.
Okay, which one of you is going to play Forza when you get home? Oh my god, we're going sideways!
You guys can have a Teams room system. I want a Teams car system.
Paul, where are you?
I'm going around the skid pad, slowly but sideways.
Professional drivers on a closed course.
I have the oddest sensation that someone is following me.
Oh, I'm going in now.
Right on, I'm guessing we'll be right behind you.
I'm 2 cars back from you, Steve, and this is quite a way to follow you around the world.
Guys, how was that?
I feel like eating another one of the big greasy Comes vs. Lunch burgers at this point.
Oh, don't talk about food! Oh my gosh. You know, there's only one thing that held up, and that's Walkie Talkie.
It did. It worked better than I thought it would.
Yeah, that did. I didn't think it was going to work around the track. So that's good.
Well, and all joking aside, I can see how in a noisy environment, if you were a first-line worker on a factory floor, in a refinery, something like that, this would be completely usable. You push the button, you talk, all the people that are in your channel hear you. It worked quite well.
It did work quite well, yeah. Even in the car, when it was going around the track, all the noise, and was doing that, going, all the way around the skid pad. It actually held up. It held its own.
But I think too, like in the instant communication factor, when someone's busy doing multiple things at once. I mean, we were riding and not driving, so you wouldn't want to do that while driving. But you could really see, you know, while you're getting thrown around, I could tell you were busy, so you waited a minute until you could get a conversation in. So it is a really cool technology.
And we tried a Teams call instead, and that just didn't work for that because
that didn't work as well.
No, I don't want those outtakes either.
No, everybody's noise was there, so you couldn't hear anybody.
Well, we weren't using Teams certified devices. I heard you weren't supposed to ever have a Teams call without that, so maybe that was why.
So we're going to do it again with Teams certified devices.
Oh, fine, all right, that counts.
You can go out again and try with a headset.
Yes, I will.
Maybe a little speakerphone or we'll drop an MTR in.
I want a Microsoft Teams car system, not a room system.
Yeah. Well, check out the CarPlay video.
Yeah.
And you can see how well that works.
Well, there's some work to be done there.
Walkie Talkie though. I like it.
I'll give it a thumbs up.
Yeah.
It's a good deal.
It is brilliant.